Hello and good morning. My name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I am shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And as you can see, with the touch of a button, you can operate both power sliding doors and of course the power ramp, and you can operate the trunk lid as well. So if you're coming up in your wheelchair and you want to roll right up in this thing from the grocery store, hit the button. It's got keyless entry as well. You're ready to roll. The van also does have the kneeling system if you want to, so the van will squat down and kneel on its side. If you're pushing someone in a manual wheelchair up in here, that's often very effective. You can enter on the ramp. I like this. Got almost like the carbon fiber floor there. It's easy to clean, easy to keep clean. If you get any spills or liquids on it, cleans up real easy. Back seat looks like very good condition. I do see one tiny little tear right there. That's probably from someone hitting it with their wheelchair. Headliner is excellent condition. You can see it has the rear air and the rear vents. The easy lock right there, that will allow you to pull up a chair and snap right in, so you don't have to tie it down. That can also be moved over to the driver's side. So if you wanted to drive from your chair, this easy lock could be moved over to the driver's side. You could roll right up in, snap in your chair, and drive from your chair. That's a very nice feature that this has. That's about a $2,000 add-on. So very, very valuable feature to have in this van. Up to the dash, I do see a small little scrape right there. I don't know what that's from, but I just want to be honest as I possibly can when we show you these vans. It does have the steering wheel controls to help you keep your eyes on the road, or whoever's driving the van help keep their eyes on the road. Has dual climate control. Driver can be one temperature, passenger can be a second temperature, and you can even have a third temperature in the rear. It has the plugs down there, the easy lock control as well. Both seats are easily removable, like I mentioned, so you can remove one or both of the front seats. And when you've got yourself secure or your passenger secure, you come back out. It's also got all the controls to put away all the doors in the ramp, so we use these up here so you can see those work too. So you can use either your key fob or the controls inside the van. This ramp and door works perfectly. I'm going to show you the receipts. There's been a lot of money put into this van to make sure it's excellent condition. I'm going to do a walk around on the van. Has the tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. It's got a roof rack up there. Alloy wheels are nearly brand new condition. Our tires are nearly brand new. I would say they are brand new condition. I think they put tires on this thing. Yeah, they actually did. I have receipts for it. I'll show them to you. I do see one small scrape down here. Looks like someone probably scraped that along a curb. You can see the touch-up paint there. Now if I back up, you can hardly see it. But you can see in this video that I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can about the van. I don't want any surprises, whether you come pick it up or we ship it out to you. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Very clean van. I'm looking really hard for a single door ding or anything like that. I really can't see one. I can't see any other than what I showed you. I mean, there's a small, I do see a small spot of touch-up paint right there, probably from a little door ding. See a couple of them right there. But again, a super clean van. Very nice. Got the VMI North Star, the SXT trim inside the van. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. This van has been professionally detailed. The seats are in wonderful condition. They look darn near brand new. We do put plastic over there. We want to protect these vans. We have mechanics that jump in these and move them sometimes. Sometimes they're greasy or they've been laying on the ground. We do not want that grease getting in the seats, so that's why we protect these vans. Now look at this here. You can see all the dates. These are all in September. This is all for the controller, the new schlep. This is all part of the ramp and door. $1,885 right there. This is all just that rest of that receipt. This also had a sliding door assembly, $926. New wiper blades, folks. I mean, this has been inspected fully. New brake rotors, brake pads front and back. Came to a total of $257. Had a new AC kit installed as well. Charged a new AC kit and compressor, $244 there. Here's the condenser as well, $360. And this was just an inspection report here, past the inspection. And then 4 brand new tires. Oh, I'm sorry, that's for just looks like parts on there, $75. I'm not sure what those are exactly, different vans. It's a power door module. Okay, on one of the receipts that had not only the full AC kit and compressor, had oil change and filter, 4-wheel alignment, and 4 new Definity tires. So it does have brand new tires, $875. So I have quite a few $1,000s in receipts here, and you say to yourself, well, it's a 2016 with low miles. Folks, we're trying to get this van back to retail condition. It's top of the line. It's not some van we're just throwing on the lot. We put a lot of work into these vans. They're very well inspected. And if anything is not darn near brand new condition, we replace it. We fix it. So let me continue with the rest of the video here. Whoever gets this van is going to have all these receipts for themselves, for their records. So let me continue the rest of the video. The van also comes with 1 key, as I mentioned. Has the conversion package and also the user's guide. If you do want another key, we can get one made at your cost. Unfortunately, it does just have 1 key. It does have the power driver seat. It works perfectly. You can see the current miles on the van, 45,434 miles. When I go to start the van up, turns on first time, every time. ABS light, check engine light, airbag lights, all of those work, and of course those all go out, so there's no dummy lights on. And before we pop the hood, I'll pop the hood right now. You can see it's got the kneeling system down there. I've got the kneel turned off. It's very easy to turn on if you want the kneel activated. We've checked all the power windows in this van, power mirrors. This is not some van you come look at and it looks like a great price, because it is a great price. Everyone else is selling these vans for $40,000 plus. But it's not some van you come and look at, has a great price, and then it's got a bunch of issues. We've checked everything. You can see we've done thousands and thousands of dollars of work to this thing. So let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. It had a fresh oil change. We have the receipts for that. Very clean underneath. No signs of any damage. No signs of any accidents. No signs of any water. All underneath the van. Very clean underneath. A few signs of a little bit of surface rust. That's to be expected with a vehicle that has 45,000 miles on it. Very clean overall. I don't see any signs of any leaks. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I want to get them out on the highway, let you hear the engine run and the transmission shift, so you know that whether we deliver this van out to you or whether you come pick it up and drive it home, that this van is roadworthy. It's up to about 70 miles an hour, no problems. You can see the steering wheel is not bouncing back and forth, so that's good. All the tires are in balance, front end solid. I've got the cruise control set at 65. The cruise works great. Now folks, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, does the competition, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Look us up, Affordable Mobility Solutions out of Wichita, Kansas. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews? Folks, that's 500 people that said we did a good job, 0 that said we did a bad job. That's hard to beat. Do they offer free shipping to your home or business? Because we do. We own a shipping brokerage. We can get vehicles shipped very affordably. We pay the average shipping rate to your home or business. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Because that's not how we do business. We give you a free 60-day tag with the price. What you see is what you get. We don't try to hide fees on the back end. That's not how we do business. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. I've already looked. There's no one behind me. Good hard brake. There's no shimmy in the steering wheel. There's no grinding. There's no squeaking. The van brakes excellent. And then finally, when you're comparing us to the competition, do they get out and make a video? Do they get out and crawl on the ground? Because they want you to know exactly what you're getting. Because anyone can make something look pretty in pictures. But to get out and make a video and crawl underneath it and show you how the conversion works and show you inside and out, we take a little extra time because we don't want any surprises. I hope you've seen in our video, we try to be honest and fair as we possibly can. We are not trying to paint this as a perfect brand new van, but we are trying to paint this as what it is. A very, very nice van that's had a lot of service, in excellent condition, for probably about $10,000 or $15,000 less than what everybody else is selling these for. And how do we do it? It's not because there's some special trick. It's because we're selling these vans and we're not trying to make $15,000, $20,000 on them. That's what a lot of these companies are out there doing, and that's their business. But we try to sell them affordably and treat people right. So if you ever want to see any more of our vans, please always give us a call. Set an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. 316-262-VANS. My name is Jeremiah. That's 316-262-8267. Also check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. Be sure to check out our Texas location, Dallas, Texas, www.bigtexmobility.com. We have a second location open in Dallas. So please call us if you ever want to see this van. You want us to bring it out to you before you agree to buy. We can put it on a trailer and bring it out to you. We can't work for free, but we can work for affordable. Call us and see what we can work out with you. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.